Let's count my plane collection! There are 5 blue planes, 4 yellow planes, and 6 red planes. How many are there together? 5 plus 4 plus 6 equals 15 planes total! My collection rules!
Let's double check the answer. Tap and count all the planes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Great
15.
job! There are 15. This shows 3 plus 7 plus 4. Tap the basket with 3. Oops! Make sure only the basket with 3 is highlighted. This shows 3 plus 7 plus 4. Tap the basket with 3. Good thinking! That basket has 3. Now tap the basket with 7. Great! That basket has 7. Now tap the basket with 4. Yay! That basket has 4. All 3 of those baskets equal 14. 3 plus 7 plus 4 is 14. Drag the numbers to the blanks to solve the equations. Yay! 10 plus 2 plus 5 is 17. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Drag the numbers to the blanks to solve the equations. Nice work! 5 plus 8 plus 3 is 16. 9 plus 0 plus 2 is 11. Match the equations with their answers. Good job! Match the equations with their answers. Match the equations with their answers. Great! Thanks for playing with me.